Hi and welcome to Paint Roll 20. My name is Knut and today is just gonna be a quick video about why you should sub-assembly and sub-paint. That's one key to successful and a good paint job. Let's use the Blood Knight as one example. This is fully assembled. This was someone I bought pre-assembled. If you're going to do a quick job, it might be good, but let's look at one that I want to be looking good. This is my daughter's army and this is her paint job. So, what's the difference? Well, I have neglected to paint on to glue on the shield and the head. Why, do you wonder? Well, because as you can see, if I'm gonna paint this part right here, it's quite difficult with a head in the way. And it's also a little difficult to paint the head. So what I usually do is I pin the head and paint him separately, and then I glue them on when I paint it. The same with the shield. As you can see, the shield obstructs a lot of details. Not gonna lie, but it's really difficult to paint between there. Paint the armor right there. Wait, there. Paint the armor right there. It's gonna be quite difficult. But if you do it like this, you have good clearance. And then you can paint the shield. This is also another example of assembled mini I bought. The shield is very large and very covering. It's difficult to paint between the body and the shield. So I did the same. Much easier to get the brush and much easier to paint, basically. Let's take an excellent example. Look at this Slann Priests. Starmaster. He is on his mobility scooter, as we like to say. This is a commission I'm gonna paint. So, the plan is I construct the mobility scooter because he's so damn fat that that the legs can't carry him anymore. Thick boy. So, here is the Slann Priest without the head. If I put him down, this is the Slann. The head is also gonna block even more. So what I do is I don't glue him on right away. I finish the base and then I paint this part. As I know it's gonna be this part is gonna be very covered, I'm gonna go into very much detail right there. But as you can see, it's like much easier to paint the throne without the Slann Priest in the way. So I paint the throne and I paint the Slann separately. And also, the Slann is also going to be much easier to paint. Because if he sits on the throne, I will not be able to paint the back. And I don't know if I'm going to magnetize him so we can remove it. That's the key when you want a good paint job. Is if something is in the way, sub-assemble them. The result is much better. Let's talk about my artist opus, my greatest work of art. Castellan Crowe from the Grey Knights from GW. He is quite detailed. So when I painted him, I left the arm, this arm, on, but I didn't attach this part or the jetpack or the cape. I painted them separately. Because as you can see, if I would have started painting it fully assembled, it would be really difficult to paint all the ammo inside there. It would be really difficult to paint the sword, because the base is in the way. So that's the key to success. Sub-assembly and sub-paint. I hope you learned something, and that is one of my greatest tips. So until next time, have an excellent day, and remember, have fun and paint some minis. Take care guys, bye bye.